Let's see what we have. I hope it is good. Mom, there is no food in the kitchen, so what do we do? Get something for us to eat. Get something for us to eat. Who is that?